'67 Farmer. I put a new tongue on the front of my trailer here. It's 3-inch C-channel. It goes all the way from the tongue, front of the trailer, down the side. I cut a crease right here, and then I welded it, and then I also bolted it on the inside of the flange to give it extra strength. I still have to weld this up, put a plate underneath where it's cut, and then I painted it. This trailer's looking really good. Got one more side to do, and then maybe a gate. But now I got a 2-inch ball on there. I got to get a new jack for it. It is a lot stronger than just having a single square tube out the front like this. When I was hauling, I forgot what it was, but it bent. I think it was like 4,000 pounds worth of logs. I probably only had like 7 or 8 logs on a 12-foot long, and the spring wasn't even squatting at all. It's just that the tongue bent. This is a 7,000 pound mobile home axle. It's 3-inch diameter tubing, so it's between 600 and 7,200 pounds. But it's a lot stronger. I have zip ties holding my wires underneath inside my channel frame. It's a 4-pin. I don't have brakes for it. The safety chains are a little short. The Harbor Freight safety chains are kind of short, and that's coming right from the middle of the weld-on coupler. This is supposed to be weld-on, but I don't trust the Harbor Freight 90 amp flux core for structural, so I put grade 8 half-inch bolts on there. Put 5 on each side, so I don't think that's going anywhere. All new lighting, painted most of the trailer. Wasn't doing the fenders, it wasn't doing the places that were really caked in mud, but it is a lot stronger. The whole trailer used to twist. Like the front would go this way, and the back would go this way, and then the front would go this way, so it actually twist. It was really weird. I was looking at putting a torsion tube in there, like a 3-inch square round tube, front to back, as well as this A-frame, but you push on this, it doesn't go anywhere. It is solid as a rock. I'm really impressed with the results. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. And I'm really looking forward to building another trailer like this. I'm looking at buying a 20-foot camper frame and making that into a car trailer. Don't forget to hit that bell button by my subscribe button and leave any comments below. Thanks for watching.